Hello children, today we will start from the types of organic compounds. Mainly they are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon means bonding between carbon and hydrogen. And further their derivatives are there. For example, alcohols, aldehydes, carboxylic acid, ether and halides. Now see in this table 12.1, hydrocarbons are mainly of three types: alkanes, alkene and alkyne. Alkane having single covalent bond, alkene having double covalent bond between carbon atoms, and alkyne having triple covalent bond. Their examples are given: ethane, ethene and ethine. And they have also shown here single bond, double bond between both carbon as well as triple bond between both these carbons. Then their derivatives are, first of all, alcohol. Alcohols will have OH group. For example, methanol, CH3OH. Then aldehydes, they will have CHO group. Ethanol, example. Then ketones, they will have double bond with oxygen, means carbon and oxygen, they will have double bond. So these are ketones. And example is propane. Then fifth is carboxylic acid. They will have COOH group. Ethers, they will have one single bond, single covalent bond with oxygen, but oxygen will be as a central atom. Carbon will be on both sides. So this is ether. Then last one is halides. Halides means halogen family. Maybe fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. So they have written here X. X means any halogen can be there. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. While you will talk about these halogens or halides in organic chemistry, then we will call it fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. That's why they have written here chloroethane. Fluoro, chloro, bromo and iodo. Next is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are compounds that are made up of carbon and hydrogen atom. Okay, so let's talk about its types. So hydrocarbons are of three types: alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. They are differ by their covalent bonds. Alkanes having single covalent bond, alkenes double covalent bond and alkynes triple covalent bond. Alkanes are counted in saturated compounds while alkenes and alkynes both are unsaturated compounds. Now see here on your book, hydrocarbons are classified as aliphatic or open chain compound. Open chain means they will have straight chains or branches. And second one is cyclic or closed chain compound. If three or more than three carbon are there, then they can form their cycles. Now see here, these are open chain or aliphatic and these are cyclic or closed chains. All these forms of hydrocarbon, they having their own general formula. For example, alkanes having CnH2n plus 2. Alkenes, you will remove this plus 2. They will have only CnH2n. And alkynes, in place of this plus, we will write here minus, CnH2n minus 2. So you have to learn only first formula. In second, alkenes, we will skip this plus 2 and in alkynes, this plus sign will change into minus. And here n in all these formulas, that represents natural number. Means you may fill here value of n 1, then 2, 3 up to so on. While you will fill the numbers in these formulas, if answer is this answer, if only one carbon, then you will call it meth. If two carbons, eth. 3 carbons, prop. 4 carbons, but. 5 carbons, pent. 6 carbons, hex. 7 carbons, hept. 8 carbons, oct. 9, non. And 10 is dec. Up to hex you know, because in your mathematics you have learned about hexagon, pentagon, right? About hexa you know, hexa means 6. Then how to learn these? Hept to dec. You can learn here name of the months: September, October, then November, then December will be there. In place of sept, you will write here hept. 7 carbons, hept. Oct same. In place of nov, you will write here non, N-O-N. Then last dec. Now how to fill the formula? First we are talking about alkane. So alkane formula is CnH2n plus 2. Now fill here natural number, means n. First of all n1 you will fill here. Then you will get answer C1H2 plus 2. Its answer will be CH4. Now here is one carbon. One carbon means you will call it meth. And you will check the covalent compound between this carbon and hydrogen. Yesterday we have done carbon having valency 4 and 4 hydrogen. They will share their 1 electron with each valence electron of carbon. Now they are having single covalent bond. So if single covalent bond is there, then you will call it ane, because we have learned here alkanes having single covalent bond. So this is formula of methane. Now again we are writing the same formula of alkanes. Now fill natural number 2, means n's value 2. You will get here C2H4 plus 2. Formula will be C2H6. As there are 2 carbons, for 2 carbons we will use word eth. So first you will write here eth. It will have again single bond. 2 carbon will be as central atom. 6 hydrogens are there. Now only single bond is there, so name of this compound is ethane. So in this formula of alkane, while you will fill the value, n's value is 3, then you will get compound propane, because again carbon and hydrogen both will have single covalent bond. So while you will fill 4, then you will get butane, 5 pentane, 6 hexane, 7 heptane. These were names you have to learn. According to their single bond, double bond, triple bond, you will give name ane, ene or ine. Now alkene. Alkene will have double bond. Its formula is CnH2n. You will fill here value of n is 1. Then you will get answer CH2. Now try to make its structural formula. Only one carbon is there and 2 hydrogens. Carbon having 4 valence electrons. So these electrons will be shared with hydrogens. Hydrogen will complete its octet. But carbon having only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. While carbon will have here 8 electrons. So 2 electrons are less. That's why this bond will not be formed according to its name, alkene. So methane will not be existed. Now fill the value of n is 2. In alkene, you are going to fill here value of n, that is 2. So you will get here C2H4. Now try to make its structural formula. 2 carbons are there, so carbon will be central atom. Then 4 hydrogens. 2 hydrogen with this carbon, 2 hydrogen with this carbon. They will share their electrons. Now see, carbon was having 4 valence electrons. This electron is shared with hydrogen, this electron is shared with hydrogen, this with hydrogen, this with hydrogen. These 2 are left. So these both electrons will be shared with each other, and here also. So carbon will have double bond. Now see their octet and duplet. Duplet of hydrogen is completed and octet of carbon 2, 4, 6, 8. That is also completed. Here also octet of carbon is completed. So while we are talking about alkenes, its compounds will start from ethene. Then propene will be there. You can fill the value of N, that is 3, in this formula. Propene will exist. Then butane will be there, up to so on. See on your book, page number 187. Alkane, they are starting from methane, ethane, propane, while alkene, they are starting from ethene, because double bond will start from ethene, not from methane. Likewise, alkenes, they are also going to be started from ethyne. Methane will not be there. Let's see why methane cannot be existed. Alkyne having triple bond and its general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Now fill the value of N is equal to 1. You will get here C1H2 minus 2 means C1H0. If 0 hydrogen is there, only carbon will have its valence electrons with whom it can share its electrons. So methane will not be existed. It is also started from ethyne, then propyne, then butane. You can fill the value of N. You can start it from 2, 3, 4 up to so on. So in unsaturated compounds, we have learned about alkenes and alkynes. They are having double bond and triple bond. And the term unsaturated means that more hydrogen or any other atom can be added to the hydrogen to make it saturated. For example, that means single bonds. For further details, we will refer to section 12C and 12D. We will talk about it later. Next is comparison is given of saturated compounds and unsaturated hydrocarbons. So first of all, in saturated organic compounds, all the 4 valency of each carbon atom are satisfied by forming single covalent bond. Here will be double or triple. No single bond can be exist. Then second is carbon atoms are joined by single covalent bond. Example we have done, carbon can form single bond with carbon. And in unsaturated, carbon can be satisfied by making double bond with another atom of carbon or triple bond. Then third, they are less reactive due to non-availability of electrons, and they are more reactive because of presence of electrons. Now see a downside. Substitution reaction is given, reaction in which one atom of molecule is replaced by another. For example, methane is given and chlorine is given. Then one hydrogen will attach with chlorine, hydrogen chloride will form, and here will left only CH3, and one chlorine will combine with this CH3. This was methane. If one hydrogen is reduced, then it will change into methyl chloride and hydrogen chloride. The next one is additional reaction. A reaction involving addition of atoms or molecules to the double or triple bond of an unsaturated compound so as to yield a saturated product is known as addition reaction. Example is given, C2H4 means ethene and bromine. They will combine with each other. So this is addition reaction. Bromine molecule will combine with ethene. Then these are cyclic compounds having 3 or more than 3 carbons. They are of 2 types. First is alicyclic compounds. These are ringed carbon compounds containing 3 or more atoms of carbon arranged in a closed structure. There are 3 carbons. Here is 5, and in hexene there are 6 carbons. As 3 carbons are there, so you will use here word prop, single bond, ane, propane, and this is cyclic structure, so you will call it cyclopropane. Same 5 carbons, we will call it pent, single bond, ane, pentane, and this is cyclic structure, so we will call it cyclopentane. In next 6 carbons are there having one double bond means ene. 6 carbon, hex, double bond ene, hexene, and this is cyclic structure, so cyclohexene. Next type is aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds means some hydrocarbons contain at least one benzene ring. This is benzene ring. This is known as benzene. 6 carbons will be there at the corners and they will have alternatively first double bond, then single, then double, then single, then double, then again single. You can also start single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. 2 double bonds should not be collectively, otherwise carbon will have 10 electrons. See here, this carbon 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons, octet is completed. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, octet is completed. If you will take here again two bonds or double covalent bond, then carbon will have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 electron. While in octet only 8 electrons should be there. So these double bonds will be alternatively. These benzene ring is a specific type of ring. Structure of 6 carbon atoms having carbon-carbon single, carbon-carbon double bonds in alternate positions. And mostly these compounds having pleasant smell, they are known as aromatic compounds. And other example, if CH3 is there on one side, then toluene. If OH, alcohol group, then phenol. And if two benzenes are together, then naphthalene. Here also you have to keep this thing in mind. 2 bonds should not be here. Otherwise 2, 4, 6 will be here. 10, 12, it will become 12 if you are making 2 double bonds side by side. So there should be one gap.